Join me as I dive into the world of tiny details and try to find the most mind-blowing microscopic image using this Wi-Fi handheld digital microscope with 1000x magnification. In this video, we will explore the incredible features of the Wi-Fi handheld digital microscope and how it can enhance your inspection and observation tasks. Many people struggle to inspect small details in various fields like electronics, biology, or crafts due to limited traditional magnification tools. This can be frustrating, especially when you need to analyze tiny components or observe minute details. Traditional microscopes can be bulky and restrictive, making it difficult to maneuver and get a clear view. Limited magnification power can also hinder your ability to see the details you need. The limited magnification power of traditional tools can lead to missed details, which can be costly in fields like electronics or biology. You might miss a crucial detail that could change your entire understanding of a specimen. Even in crafts, being able to see the fine details can make all the difference in the quality of your work. By being able to observe these details, you can improve your work and gain a deeper understanding of the tiny world. We'll delve into the specifications of the microscope, its compatibility with Android, iOS, and PCs, and showcase some practical applications for hobbyists and professionals alike. This microscope offers a whopping 1000x magnification, making it perfect for detailed inspections. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to easily share your findings on various devices. Whether you're a student, hobbyist, or professional, this microscope can be a valuable addition to your toolkit. The microscope is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. You can use it to inspect circuit boards, examine biological specimens, or study small parts. Its versatility and ease of use make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore the microscopic world. By being able to connect it to your Android, iOS, or PC device, you can easily capture and share images. Watch as we demonstrate the microscope in action, revealing stunning details of everyday objects that you've never seen before. As I place the microscope on this object, you can see the incredible level of detail it can capture. The level of magnification is truly remarkable, and the image quality is crystal clear. You can see every nook and cranny, every tiny detail that was previously invisible to the naked eye. The microscope's ability to capture clear images at high magnification is impressive. You can observe the texture, shape, and structure of objects in great detail. This can be particularly useful in fields like quality control or failure analysis. By being able to see these details, you can make more informed decisions and take corrective action. To wrap up, we've seen how this digital microscope can revolutionize the way you inspect and study small details, making it a valuable tool for various applications. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tech insights and reviews. Wireless Digital Microscope, Skybasic 50X-1000X Magnification Wi-Fi Portable Handheld Microscopes with Adjustable Stand HD. Light Source Type LED Material Plastic. Color Black. Real Angle of View 45 degrees. Magnification Maximum 1000x. Item Weight 0.31 kilograms. Voltage 5 volts. Brand Skybasic. Compatible devices: laptop, personal computer, tablet, smartphone. Objective lens description: achromatic. Wi-Fi and USB microscope. This is a wireless handheld digital microscope that has been designed to work with your mobile Android or iOS device. Open your device Wi-Fi to connect to the microscope's Wi-Fi hotspot, also compatible with Windows or Mac computers. If the USB cable is unavailable, please tell us for a free replacement. 8 adjustable LED light. 8 LED lights provide excellent detail and optimal clarity, allows the user to digitally images of the 1920 by 1080 resolution. 1080p HD picture quality for smartphone, 720p for the computer. Note, please remove the plastic protective cover before use. Taking photo or video by one button. Taking an image or video is as simple as tapping the image/video button of your device or pressing related app trigger. The Wi-Fi handheld digital microscope with 2MP HD CMOS sensor them instantly to your phone. Portable microscope, lightweight and small size are convenient for taking them with you everywhere. Easy to operate, allows you to take it on your trips for children to study plants, minerals, insects, or have fun outdoor activities. This electronic microscope is more of a fixed-focus magnifying glass, not a traditional microscope, not suitable for professional serious biologists. Great compatibility. The handheld digital zoom microscope magnifier included user-friendly software compatible with Windows XP/Vista/7/8, Mac and software, and tools for multiple purposes. Wi-Fi connection for Android and iOS. 1. Download the software MacC from Google Play or App Store. 2. Long press the power button to turn on the microscope. 3. Connect the Wi-Fi MacC which emits from the microscope. 4. Run the app and it is easy to use. Note the plus, dash, and take photo function keys only work in Wi-Fi connection situations. It is not supported to use when connecting to a computer for operation. USB connection for PC-1. For Win 7/8, please downloading an AM cap to start using. 2. For Win 10, you can directly plug into the USB port and search camera in Windows to find it and click. 3. For MacBook, please use MacBook's bundled software Photo Booth or QuickTime Player directly. 4. Note, please disable the default laptop camera in Windows. And you have to change your privacy settings for the camera, which needed to be changed to permit access. What you will get: 1X microscope, 1X USB cable, 1X bracket, 1X base for microscope, 1X user manual. 1-year replacement service for quality problems. If you don't think our product meets your expectation, please ask for tech support. Our excellent after-sales service won't disappoint any of customers. Your satisfaction gives impulses for the better development of our brand. Multifunction digital zoom microscope with Wi-Fi digital system, perfect for skin inspection, hair inspection, industrial inspection, education purpose, print industrial. Also, excellent for textile industrial, biological inspection, jewelry and stamp inspection. Use of plus and buttons when you use the digital microscope. Plus and button is just an auxiliary function. It can zoom in from 1.0 to 2.0 on the original basis. The zoom function is mainly realized by the focusing wheel. Compatible operating systems. It supports Android 6.0, iOS 9.0, Windows Vista /7/8/10, macOS X 11.0 or later. Notes on charging: please fully charge it before using it. Terminal charging: please choose a 5 volts 1A adapter plug. The product not equipped with a plug. You can use your mobile phone charging plugs or other. Please do not use a computer to charge the product. 1. The Skybasic Wireless Digital Microscope offers 50X-1000X magnification and is compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac devices via Wi-Fi or USB connection. 2. It features 8 adjustable LED lights for optimal clarity and can capture 1080p HD images on smartphones and 720p on computers. 3. The microscope is portable, lightweight, and suitable for casual use, such as studying plants and insects, but not for professional biological research. 4. The device includes user-friendly software compatible with various operating systems and requires specific apps for Wi-Fi connection on mobile devices. 5. The package includes a microscope, USB cable, bracket, base, and user manual, with a 1-year replacement service for quality issues.